There's magic inside of you.
Blessings to all of you beautiful beings. It's Elena and I'm enchanted to have you be here on my channel. Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, consider liking, subscribing, becoming part of my little YouTube family. And if you've been here before, hello and welcome back to each and every one of you amazing, fantastic, beautiful, incredible souls right across the screen. Lots of love, lots of warm hugs, and hopefully you and yours are safe. On today's video, I am doing the quarterly subscription unboxing from Archer and Olive. And we have a big box today. Archer and Olive is a stationery online shop and they do seasonal boxes. This is their winter box. I'm not affiliated with them, nor am I sponsored with them. I did purchase this with my own money, and I am very excited to see what is in here. It is heavy, it is a very, very heavy box, but it does appear to be a bit beat up on the sides. So it came in like a mailer bag, and when I took it apart, it was a whole bunch of squished in. A bit squished in on this side, and then we have a bruise in here. So hopefully it's just stationary things and nothing is dead. But let's dig in and see what we have. I am excited, always excited. I love the quality of their products. I use a lot of their markers and journals. So, we have this beautiful box. I wish it was not beat up. I might still use it anyway. And it says, let's get cozy and warm in our favorite cafe and watch the snow fall from our little table. So, something cafe related? I don't know. Are you ready? Are you excited? Oh, look at the shimmer. You could see the reflection of my camera up there. I'm excited. Ta-da! Oh, their packaging is so pretty. Okay. It is a packed box, and I'm really loving the colors. All right, first thing, let's go with decorative pen storage tin. Your desk just got a lot more fun. Ooh. Cool. Even cooler. And it says positivity. It's kind of like a tea tin. Always pour some positivity. I like the color. It's like a lavender, lilac-y kind of color. And okay, here we go. And it's a little metal tin or aluminum. Some ASMR tapping for you. I'm not gonna do the whole whispering thing. And yeah, it fits in the pens. Cool. It says here, decorative pen storage tin, but it could very easily be used for tea storage or, you know, whatever else kind of storage stuff you can put in it. I like it. I like that one. Okay, who else do we have in here? We have this box and gel pens. Cool. I have a small set of gel pens from them from a different box that they did a little while ago. I'm struggling so much with this. Trying to find something to open it with and not destroy my nails. And the quality of their gel pens has just been top notch. We have 5 colors. 5 very pretty colors. I'm loving this cool pastel type of tones. Let's see, where can I find some scrap paper to do a couple tests at? Cool. Starting off with this super pretty peachy color. Ooh, and they write so nice. Okay, that is a very, very nice gel pen. We have this pretty pink. Hey, it matches, almost matches. It writes so smooth. This pretty blue. It seriously writes so smooth and like rich and runny. As you can see me fill in the squares super quickly. This one kind of matches it a little bit more. Oh, never mind. It looks way darker on paper than it does on the inside. I like that color. Then we have this nice gray. Ooh. Beautiful colors. I really like this set. These are very, very pretty colors. All right, off to a fantastic start. More stationery is always good. Then we have stationery scissors. Ooh, to help with the tiny details. Oh, get fancy scissors. Ooh. They sound sharp. I got these from Amazon and I absolutely love these. I think they're supposed to be like sewing scissors or whatnot, but they turn out to be super sharp and like super cute, vintagey, and wonderful. Now I've got another wonderful, like, they sound nice. Is it weird that some scissors sound like you can tell the sharpness of scissors by the way it sounds? Anyways, let's put it to the test. Fantastic. Yeah, these are really good scissors, and I feel like they're the perfect medium size, so it's not too big to do, you know, a whole large paper thing, and not too small like the other ones that I have. They're perfect. And will this come out? Or are you glued in? Please come out. No, it's glued in. I'm going to rip that out of there and use this nice box for something else because it's magnetic and it's nice and I could just cover up that portion. And maybe keep my gel pens in there. Oh, that would be absolute perfection. All right, who else do we have in here? We have collaging set. Ooh. They always do such a wonderful job at their packaging, and it's just lovely. I didn't lose anything in there, right? Nope. Oh, we have some very pretty... I forgot the name of this paper. It's like plasticky, translucent-y a little bit. It has a name. I forgot it. So we have something that's a bit more like grayish. Then we have more whitish colors. Then we have more pinkish. And then more bluish, lavender-ish colors. Ooh, and we have some stickers. Some coffee cafe inspired stickers. And it's a set of 2. Lovely. That's a nice collaging set. I like it. I like it. Next, we have mechanical pencils. Ooh, I can only use, oh, and they're so pretty. I have only used mechanical pencils to write and draw with since elementary school. All right, we gotta do something. There we go. Because the sound of those like regular number 2 pencil type of things, for some reason, just hurt me. There's no eraser. There's no eraser. Oh. No, I can't push it back. All right, we had a broken tip, that's why. All right, so we have the, but how can we have the pencil with no eraser? Nope, that's just the spot to put the lead in. I hope they provided an eraser, but these are very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's see how they write. Subscribe! I'm not a huge fan. So I'm gonna show, these are the type of mechanical pencils that I've been using for absolute years. And they have this like giant eraser and that sort of thing. And they're super comfortable. They're nice and thick. And I've literally been using this same brand type of mechanical pencils since elementary school. And I feel like this one writes so much softer. So, I don't know, I'm standing on its own. It is a nice pencil, but it's not going to be a pencil that I'm going to end up using. So, this might make a really nice gift for someone. Tuck those in. They're so, so pretty though. I had high hopes, guys. I definitely did have high hopes. In this super cute box. We still have a ton of more stuff in here. All right, then we have adhesive paper tape. So washi tape. Oh no. Come on. Ooh. We have 4 rolls. We have this lovely repeating floral pattern that we see throughout all the packaging here. Definitely, definitely lovely. That's a pretty one. I'm gonna use this one. Most likely quite frequently. Oh, they're a bit better than last time. They're not as sticking up as before. Then we have this little cafe shop themed. Cute. Matches the stickers that we got. Very cute. Trying to put them back on here without destroying the sticky too much. All right. Then we have this repeating pattern. I really love these colors. They're so nice and neutral, and then this repeating pattern. Might be one of my favorite boxes. Definitely nice. The fact that like all of the packaging is identical with the same kind of color palette is just so satisfying right now. Then we have, what's in this box? We have a box full of sadness. I think it's just meant to hold stuff in place. Box full of sadness. We don't need that one. So let's see what this big box is. Cozy cafe mug. Hand wash only. Ooh! Do I? Oh, that is pretty. Ooh. Do we have a little saucer or is it just the mug? Gotta make sure. Nope, just the mug. I love how much foam it has in there to kind of protect it. Oh, this is cute. Same repeating pattern throughout. Love it. And it's so pretty on the inside. This is a beautiful, beautiful mug. I'd say it's more of like a teacup though. I expect mugs to be a little bit bigger. It's more like a teacup, but it's so pretty. I love how pretty it is. That is wonderful. All right, we have a couple more things in there. Box just keeps on giving. We have a journal. Ooh. Oh, this one's gonna be super pretty. You get a little sneak peek of what it is there. And I definitely try to be careful unpackaging them because I save the boxes for storage of other stationary things. Why? Because I am a hoarder for craft supplies and boxes. Ooh. Share this code with a loved one so they can get 10% off. Use code SHARETHELOVE10. It's for new customers only. So definitely check out their website. Oh, what a cute journal. Wintry hot chocolate vibes. Okay, that mug will be really good for that like rich, thick hot chocolate type of thing. And this journal is beautiful. I love the texture outside. It's like a fake. It's like a plasticky cover. Oh, there's a bit of an imprint over here. It looks like it's an imprint from one of their charms. So it could be one of the charms that are in there. But it has a little bit of a texture to it, which is cool. And it's dot grid. Lovely. And it has that freshly printed paper and glue type of smell. And this is the charm that was imprinted in the top. There are Archer and Olive little charm. So you get 2 bookmarks. And if it goes by their style, there should be a pocket in the back. Little pocket here. Cool. It is a beautiful journal. Awesome. I'm gonna put it in its little box and keep it safe. All right, last but not least, what else we have in here? Oh, it's another journal. Ooh. And this one seems like it's a lined notebook. I'm more of a dot grid fan. Come on. These are very nice sharp scissors. Ooh, it has a jeans type of texture. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's like a bluey lavender purpley type of color. Nice. It's a bit of an odd shape for a journal. It's not something that might be comfortable carrying it around with you unless you use it for like a special something something. I don't know, just my thought, my opinion. What is your thought on this type of shaped journal? And it's lined, cool. Also has that like grayish bluish colored lines. Also still have a pocket here. And also have the charms. The 2 bookmarks and a charm. Pretty. I need to think of a good idea of what to use this for. Because I definitely like this notebook. I just don't exactly know what to use it for yet. But I'll figure it out at some point. Cool. All right, so we have some really, really cool stuff in here. Really, really pretty stuff in here. Gonna make myself a lovely hot chocolate with that mug. What is your favorite item in this box? So we have the mechanical pencils, we have the collaging set, we have this little tin, we have gel pens, we have this coffee journal, then we have the mug, then we got so much stuff from that box. Truly awesome. What is your favorite goodie out of here? I like this. I like the uniqueness of this. I don't think I have a journal that's this shape. And I like the mug. And I like the gel pens. All right, those are and maybe the tin. All right, my top 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ta-da! My order of stuff. So yeah, let me know what you like, and if you have a favorite order of stuff, that would be kind of cool too. And if you made it all the way to the end of this video, comment down scissors emojis. Is there a scissors emoji? I think there might be a scissors emoji. If there's no scissors emoji, then something stationary related, but I do think there's a scissors emoji. Skizzers. So drop that down in the comments, letting me know that you made it all the way to the end, and with that, I shall see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye!